Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you a fast way to earn free PayPal money for beginners. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because somewhere in this video a magic number is going to pop up. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is Perfection. Now, on this website, you're going to become a tester on the internet, and you're going to earn money by giving your opinion on mobile sites and applications. And all you have to do is just click right here to start. Now, get heard. So brands listen, your opinions counts. Increase your skills. So improve your writing proficiency, sense of observation. So this is going to help you improve your writing proficiency, guys. And you're going to earn money. So your participation is compensated via PayPal or Amazon gift vouchers. So you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one already, it's easy to sign up. Just go to paypal.com. So let's read a little bit more. So paid website testers join the 250,000 testers already working from home and giving their opinion on websites and mobile apps. Now, this is what a couple of the testers are saying about this site. So this person right here says, earning money is nice. It goes beyond that. It was able to improve my writing proficiency and discover new sites and applications. So this person is saying they are learning new things with this website besides just making money. Now, this is how it works. So you're going to explore sites and applications using your smartphone or tablet. And you're going to send positive or negative feedback from your sofa. Then once your feedback is reviewed by our moderators, you're done. That's all, guys. It's very simple. So it also says, what is feedback on testing mobile application and websites? Feedback is a screenshot, sometimes a video screencast, along with a clear description. You can report positive and negative elements. So it also says here, discover how paid participants and testers send us their feedback on software, websites, and mobile applications. Well, you can just click right here and it's going to show you how everything works, guys. Now, here's the best part, guys. How much do they pay? So, it says here they pay from 10 to 15 and up to $20. How about that, guys? So you can make up to 10 to 15 to $20 just checking out these websites and apps and giving your feedback. Very simple, guys. It's some good money you can make. So guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this website. It's very, very simple to do. You can make some good money testing website and apps. So to get started on this website, go ahead and go to perfection.com/become tester and sign up and start getting this money. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. Road to 8,000. We're coming. Let's go. Let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.